Clara, play with your toy. Show everybody. You over it? Say hello, Momo. Hello, Grandma. Hi, everybody. All my aunts, uncles. Say hi to Daddy. Maybe Grandpa and Papa. Look at you. Yeah. Oh. Okay, typically she loves playing with this little toy that my friend is letting us borrow. Oh, by the way, here is my built-in. Isn't it beautiful? Love it. Looks so much better. Okay, Clara. No, okay. Well, she can at least show everybody how she sits up like a big girl. Clara, hey, say hi. Hi. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. What are you looking at? Oh, her hippopotamus. Say bye-bye.